Father won't be home tonight. Business over in Dallas. Oh, my boy. He hurt you so bad. Just rest and heal. I have soup and porridge. Which one would you like?
Go on, Captain, make a choice for me. So stubborn.
Anya, what is it? I see him. Caroline, this way. William. Oh, my stupid man. Did you think we would just leave you in here?
Oh gosh, his intestines are showing!
Hold him in! Put your hands there!
That's not good.
Get him in the helicopter!
Come on,
Blessing to have finished the work I was put on this earth to do. Surrounded by friends that love me.
You have no idea what it's like to suffer like I do.
Abate, we are out! Fire!
Yes, madam.
He's bleeding out! Go faster! Next horse!
And the great warmth washing over me.
Towel!
I think the sky's on fire.
Don't die. Caroline, he's dying!
Press!
He's turning blue! Abate, we'll need a gurney at the hangar bay. ETA 90
Death
seconds.
at the gates again. Howling my name.
Blazkowicz.
Come on in, old buddy. Sorry I made you wait.
חמל חייבים לבוא. שגמלני כל טוב. Let me show you something, Billy. My father told me, if I ever had a son, I should give this to him. It is an engagement ring. It has been with our family for 8 generations. Can you imagine that, Billy? It is what they call an heirloom. When you meet someone special, you will place this ring on her finger. It is worth a lot, this ring.
Shit. Must be 100 damn degrees outside.
Do not tell your father about this ring. He will take it. He does not know about it. You know how he is.
Sophia!
Mother, am I acquitted? Was I righteous and just? Good enough to witness the awe of heaven?
You have no idea what it's like to suffer like I do.
Oh no. Mother, I'm going to hell.
Pull, Bombate. Oh, I'll have to cut most of his intestines out.
Whatever it takes, then, please! Stay with us, Blazkowicz. You fight through this, and I promise you everything will be all right.
Kinderlach, bring me anyone for to give blood! Now!
Everyone, we need blood donors right now. You listening? Line up here by the sick bay. Double time.
Marty, here! Yes! More! I need light!
Stay down, keep quiet, he's coming.
Sophia, he in there? No. Sophia, out of my way.
He does not deserve this. You know he does not.
Don't bullshit me. I saw him with her.
He's young. He likes her. He does not know better.
He knows goddamn well not to spend time with some dirty little nigger girl.
I will not let you hurt my son. Not anymore.
You have no idea what it's like to suffer like I do. Oh, Sophia, every day I'm out there busting my ass, tooth and nail, getting screwed out of my earnings left and right, humiliating myself just to keep the business alive. I saw them two together, Sophia, getting sweet with each other under the poplar tree. This cannot happen! I have worked too hard for too damn long to lose my reputation because my boy is sweet on some nigger.
Rip, we cannot live like this. I cook, I clean, I tend to the stables, to the field. You are not the only one struggling, Rip. You should have shut down the business when my father told you to. You are behind in everything. 3 months behind in utility. All the money my father invested, you have lost.
You are playing with fire, Sophia. What are you doing? I am not the man you want to mouth off to.
And you are not the man I married. I married a man who would never let his family go hungry. So help me. I will not let you hurt my son.
You shut your damn mouth before I shut it for you. What is it with you damn Jews? Have all the answers, do you? Smart mouth goddamn Jew. I married you, I figured your father'd be an asset. But you just a damn millstone, sticking your nose into my business instead of handling your own. If you can't raise a boy right, I'll do it for you.
Get away!
You ungrateful bitch! Hiding in the closet. Make me sick to look at you. Get your ass over here! Now! Keep 'em coming, candy ass. Can't throw worth a shit. That all you got, boy? You are so goddamn weak. They're gonna pick on you, they will break you, they will make you eat dirt. And what are you gonna do about it? You can't fight to save your life. Well, at least I can teach you how to take it.
Slow your breathing, Blazkowicz. Recover your strength. Big plans are in motion. The tides are turning. The Kreisau circle is rising. I will need you by my side when we make our move.
Can you feel the kicking?
Bessie, dinner time. Yeah, you good girl. Yes, Bessie, you such a good girl. You ain't going nowhere. Whimper all you want. In life, you got to make hard decisions. And sometimes, you got to punish the animals out there. It's kill or be killed. The old and the weak are doomed. All manners of scum and sickly minds and dirty bodies and cockroaches doing everything in their power to rob the white man of what he's earned. It's on us to straighten out the queer. It's on you. Finger on the trigger. That's right. Now, shoot her. Shoot her!
Just remember, my boy, it will end better than it began.
Who is that? Is that me? Is that me? The old and the weak are doomed.
It's you. Take this. They're looking for you. Oh, shit! Here they come.
This is our U-boat now, Nazi. You ain't getting it back. Hang on, Anya. I'm on my way.
Stop! Blazkowicz! Freeze! Do not blow! Stop! Blazkowicz! Freeze! Do not move a muscle until I say it's okay, alright? Alright? Don't even pass wind! Microwaves will turn you to mush. You don't want to be mush. Egyptian, do you? Okay, wait. Wait. Okay, now! Come to me! Be careful, the floor is very... Quick. Ah, there you go. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this a new piece of crack. Now, Mr. Blazkowicz, I'm very happy to see you awake. Not so happy to see you out of bed.
Where is she?
Last time I saw her, she was with Caroline defending the cell platform elevator.
Then point me in that direction, Seth.
Ingrid, you know how long you've been in bed? 5 months. Your body is broken. You understand? Your kidneys are failing. You might have difficulties to urinate, to use your schmeckhole, to do many
No
other
time
things.
for this, just tell me.
Frau Engel, she's been hunting for you. She's been moving heaven and earth, and today she found you. Nazis breached the U-boat. Many wounded, many dead. I was separated from the others.
I have to go.
No, Hackman is the mechanic. I told you no.
Seth, help me find the sail platform elevator.
You are such an action. You are such an action. Okay. Now, there are many Nazis between here and the sail platform elevator, but I set several traps. I didn't have the time to activate them, but look at this. This is a map to show you where the traps are. Put them to good use for the verkackte Faschisten. Okay, be careful. Try not to get killed if you don't mind. Off you go.
Frau Ang. Oh. You're hunting me. Got that backwards, lady. I'm hunting you. Caroline, wherever you are, you do what you have to do to keep everyone alive till I get there. yours, lady. I'm hunting you.
Konzentrier dich auf die Mission. Wir sollen Terror bekämpfen. Alles andere ist unwichtig.
Auf den Schuhen. Auf den Schuhen.
Caroline, wherever you are, you do what you have to do to keep everyone alive till I get there. platform elevator.
I prayed for you to wake up.
I'm a burden.
Don't be stupid. Okay. Let's get you up.
You've gotten so fat.
Zed says we're having twins.
Not now, kinderlijk. Ik wil survival have enough time for schmoezerij. Now, let's get you outside. Onto the deck. Onto the deck.
Hold on, William.
Escape, Max! Escape! Shoot! Shoot! You shoot good, Max! Smile!
So ein böser Junge mit einer Waffe? Loslassen! Loslassen! Sigrun, warum atmest du so schwer?
Ich weiß nicht, Mutter.
Ah, das weißt du nicht? Nieder! Abführen zum Verhör!
Ja, Mutter.
Du hast die vereinbarten Leibesübungen nicht gemacht und deinen Weg nicht eingehalten.
Vergib mir, Mutter. Ich habe gestern ein kleines Stück Kuchen gegessen, nur ein ganz kleines...
Du dumme Kuh! Du bist eine Schande für deine Rasse! Und für deine Familie! Das werden die Leute sagen, wenn du in eine Klinik für Fettsüchtige kommst. Die Generalstochter! Was für eine Schande! Los! Warte herhalten! Ist nicht mal eine Backpfanne wert. Er ist da oben. Da bin ich mir sicher. Abmarsch nach drinnen!
Ja, Mutter. Los rein, Männer!
Ich lock ihn raus. Megafon. Unaddressing! The terrorist and murderer! William Joseph Blazkowicz! Also known as Terrorman! I'm willing to spare the life of every one of you wrestlers if you surrender! The doors are open! Come alone!
Looks like I got called out.
Don't go in there, William.
They have our people. She trapped our vessel, Anishka. What can we do? You're right here. We'll have to somehow release our U-boat once you're up there.
I can't lose you. You're weak, William. You're in no shape to fight.
I'll find a way.
You going to run us over with your little wheelchair?
Niederhalten! Da ist er ja. Gut. Runter mit der Rüstung. What a funny sight.
The mastermind crawling around in her own filth.
Oh.
Blazkowicz, you're awake.
What's left of me? I came for you. How you holding up, Caroline?
Don't know how she found us. I fucked up somehow. She tracked us down. I fucked everything up. You think you're a hero, William Joseph Blazkowicz?
Zieh den hoch, den Krüppel! Let me tell you, you're not. Only the degenerate rats of the slum admire you. The filthy dregs, festering in the ghetto. But once they see you, this will change. I shall put you on international television. Look, everybody! Is this how a hero looks like? A crippled wretch of a man peeing in a tube! Everyone will see what a useless joke you are. Los, danke schön. Oh. Zieh sie am Kragen. Bow your head.
Don't be silly. The resistance does not bow.
Mutter! Sigun! Sei still! Ich arbeite!
Ich dachte, du würdest sie freilassen.
Aber das tue ich doch. Ich befreie ihren Kopf von ihren Schultern.
Aber du hast gesagt, dass
Was
du
hast
sie...
du denn gesagt? Du machst deine Leibesübung und du verzichtest auf den Zucker. Und was haben meine Männer in deinem Zimmer gefunden, als sie durchsucht haben? Schokolade, Kekse, Limonade, Bonbons. Ganz abzusehen von den kranken Sachen, die du in dein Tagebuch geschrieben hast. Du willst sie befreien? Gut. Nimm! Nimm! Mach schon. Befrei ihren Kopf von ihren Schultern. Hm?
Du hast mein Tagebuch gelesen.
Lenk nicht ab! Köpfe sie! Oder du kannst dich auf was gefasst machen. Los! Los, los! Los, 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 los!
Stop! For God's sake, stop!
Sag zu!
Ich kann nicht, Mutter.
Mach schon! Nein! Ich kann das nicht! Ein Tagebuch in Perversion und verräterischen Worten vollschmieren. Das kannst du! Einige davon waren sogar auf Englisch! Seite für Seite ergießt sich dein widerwärtiger Geist! Wenn du aufgehst wie eine dicke, fette Seekuh! Verstehst du nicht, in was für eine Lage du mich bringst? Ich bin verpflichtet, das zu melden.
Du hattest kein Recht, es zu lesen.
Caroline Becker, leader of the Chryso Circle. The criminal mastermind. Never give up, Blazkowicz. Never give in to these people.
I think not. I think just another...
Oh no!
Übermacht den Meister! Look at this! How strange! One moment she was here, and now she's gone. Were these eyes ever filled with a lover's gaze? See you think? Kiss, kiss, kiss. Hm? Das ist nicht komisch. Willst du auch ein Küsschen, wie du es in deinem Tagebuch geschrieben hast? Auf deine dicken, fetten Wangen? Oder vielleicht lieber hier unten, ha? Zwing mich nicht, zwischen dir und meiner Überzeugung zu wählen. Denn du wirst verlieren. Und nun zu dir. Oh, to another friend of yours, yes?
Stop! No more of this!
Mutter, bitte hör auf, es reicht.
Aus dem Weg!
Nein! Mister!
Put this out! What's my use to it? Oh, what a mess. What a mess.
Make it quick.
What? Hey, I'm no cold-blooded killer like your mom. Thank you for this.
I can help you. I can give you information. Military secrets. I can tell you how to release your U-boat. And also their escape pods over there. I know the codes to open them.
Hey, back up! How do we release the U-boat?
The door there leads to the controller bay with the electromagnetic tractor arms. You can deactivate them from there, and that will release your boat.
Wait, you can get this door open?
Yes.
I'm sorry about your friend.
Talk about it.
Keep your shit together, Wyatt. Need you to step up now. A lot of things you can do with a hatchet. And a Nazi. Caroline, you copy? Before you go upstairs, please watch over our people while I get this done. Like they taught us back in boot camp. Take out the commanders first.
Schicken Sie Kampftruppen! Kommandant! Hallo! Kommandant Mannheimer! Hören Sie mich? Scheiße!
automated security system. That tank looks explosive. Got myself a new exit.
Achtung, Explosion in der Hangarbucht. Sicherheitspersonal im Bereich unverzüglich untersuchen. Wiederhole, Explosion in der Hangarbucht. Sicherheitspersonal im Bereich unverzüglich untersuchen.
You did it! Okay, come on! We have to submerge quickly!
Success, Mr. Blazkowicz! Alright, еще куда? Игорь, еще куда?
Caroline, I released the Eva's hammer, and I'm heading back to our people. I hate to ask. Will you stick around? So I can keep your wings a little longer.
Find the escape pod! Cap, we gotta scram! Let's get out of here together!
Hurry! We have to go!
Hold up. Let's go.
Everyone! Look! We have a strategy! Caroline had a plan!
To liberate the United States of America.
To free the U.S. and use it as a platform to liberate the rest of the world. And this is what we are going to do! For Caroline!
And what about this one? Can we trust her?
Hello.
Give her a chance, I guess. She saved my life. She saved Captain Blazkowicz, too. Now, Caroline had established radio contact with an American resistance group in New York City. Now, we need to
Do you allow
this
blacks on board?
to our cause. We need to make
Oh my god. How did that man get in here? No. Everyone is allowed on this boat. Except Nazis.
If on to fight war again.
There you go, Mr.
That's right. And our first priority is to set course for New York. And...
Depth charges!
On your sonar station!
I hear surface breaches! Multiple surface breaches!
It's from our angle! How in the world is she tracking us?
Someone inside your U-boat is transmitting your position.
What did you say?
The Ausmerzer has been receiving messages from someone in your boat. That's how we found you.
That's impossible.
Section F.
No way.
There it is, Section F.
But there is no section F. The maps are not accurate. We've looked and there's no door there.
What if there is? What if someone is hiding in there transmitting that signal, huh?
Cap, you assemble a team and investigate.
I'll show you the way. Must be here. Move this locker. Astonishing.
What do you see?
Welded shut from the other side.
Higgle! Take this! Wyatt came up with a basic concept. The design is not it's experimental, but it will be very useful.
Does this end kill Nazis?
Enthusiastically so.
I'm sure it will.
I will open this when you are done, big man.